All right, you guys, so I'm gonna tell you guys what I did to get the AC working back on this car. My AC ran out. This is a 2013 Cadillac ATS 3.6 ATS4. So what ended up happening was my AC was working and it ran out because I really used it. So when I tried to fill it up, it wasn't working. When I tried to fill it up, the first thing I did was I went over here. See that nozzle right there. I put the hose on it. This hose right here. Let me show you, man. I put this hose right here without the can on it, and I let all the air out, right? Till it was down to like probably like a little bit under 10, probably like around 10. So as you can see, look at all the stuff I got here. I bought 2 of these cans. And I was trying to fill it up and it wasn't working. And so what I tried to do was I tried to bypass, bring you back here. So at first with that first hose, when I let the air out, when I tried to put this shit back in there, it was not going in. It was not going in at all. So I didn't know what was going on. So I bought another hose and that hose worked better. I don't know if it was a hose or what, but so if your compressor, if you need to bypass your compressor, right? If your compressor, the clutch switch is off and you want to turn it on, this is what I did right here. This the fuse right here. This is number 62. Right here, 62. AC control relay. So I pulled this out and I put the wire and I put 2 wires. Or 1 wire, one end on one end here, one end on the other end, and there's 4 prongs in there. So you can just test it out till you because once you touch something that works, you're gonna hear the compressor make that clicking noise. So you're gonna know. And another way you can do it too is you can just take all this off, even while the car is running. Loosen this up, pull this off, and you can take all this off, and you'll see the compressor right there. You'll see it spinning, and then you'll see it stop spinning when you take the wires out. So what I did was I was filling it up right with another hose, and it started working. But my AC, it was taking the fluid, but it wasn't working. The AC was not coming on. So I used up 2 bottles doing that, and these systems don't take that much. So what I was doing was I was letting out the pressure. At first I was doing it over here. I was letting out the pressure over there, all the air out, and then I was just filling it back up. So last night what I did was I let the air out. Instead of letting the air out over here, I let it out over here. Just stick a needle in there, you know what I mean? Screwdriver, whatever, stick something in there. Psst, let the air out. I let it out till I started seeing the actual chemicals coming out. Then I know, you know what I mean, it's cool. And then I bought that black bottle. I put it, you know what I mean? I hooked it up and I filled my shit back up. Made sure I hit this again to make sure the pressure was a little bit, you know what I mean? The pressure wasn't too high. The gauge is gonna let you know. And then I filled it up and then my AC started working, yo. And that last time when I did it, I actually didn't even have to do the whole jump in the switch thing. So before y'all even try that, just try it the way I told you. You know what I mean? Just connect the hose in there and fill it up till it get to the yellow. You know, let the air out, let the pressure out on a big one. Let the pressure out here. You're gonna see air coming out. Let it out till it stops coming out, till it's coming out really slow, or till fluids actually start coming out. That's how you know it's like circulating, I guess. So y'all got any questions, man? Any comments, let me know what's up, man. I'm just trying to help y'all save some bread.